If you liked watching this video, hit that like button. If you didn't like watching this video, then just tap it really lightly instead. Alright, so please leave me a comment down below, subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit the bell button to get a notification for whenever I post a new video. It could be the video that you asked me to do for you, right? Share this with a friend and just subscribe and continue to support this YouTube channel, right? I really enjoy making these videos that highlight Igbo Nigerian names. All of your support of this channel helps the YouTube algorithm out, so continue to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell button, hit up my Instagram as well too. I hope the names that I give out speak power into your life and goodness into your situation. Thanks a lot, take care, and I will see you in the next video.